Hello YouTube friends and neighbors. Today I got a cool package from Walmart. It's something that I've kind of wanted for a while. I've done a couple videos on what's in here and they've done really well, so I figured I'm going to start collecting them a little bit and making some content. Let me show you what's inside. It's a Feisty pet. Alright, let me open the plastic. Alright, these I love them. They're super cute. And then when you I love it. I love the mechanism. I think I'm going to try to get all of these. I think I want the whole set, and I want to get all the second generation ones that they're going to be releasing soon. I love these. All right, let me show you the details of this one. Let me show you some up-close details of him right here. Alright, so this kitty's name is Catty Cobweb. His likes are ding dong ditching, dumpster diving, black licorice, dislikes daylight, superheroes, and pumpkins. What do you think? Did you like Catty Cobweb? I thought he was pretty awesome, right? Yes. Alright, I thought he was really, really cool. Let me show you, because I got more than one. Now, I paid $19.99 for him at Walmart, so a pretty good price. But they also had a deal of two other ones I could get for $33, and it was enough for free shipping. So these were $16 each. So let me show you the two. Oh no, actually that one I just showed you, the black cat plus this kitty was $32, $33, something like that. So they were $16 each. And I like cats. I'm a cat person, so I went after the cats. And I like Halloweens. That's why I got these two, because the black cat's kind of like a Halloween theme. Ah, so cute. That's what he looks like. Ah. I'm making my own sounds. These are cool. I really, they're cute. What I like about Feisty Pets is they're cute, but they're kind of creepy and scary. His eyes are a little bit scraped up, but I can polish that, I think. Oh, I love it. Let me show you some close-up details of him right here. Alright, so this cat was Princess Potty Mouth. His likes are prowling, pranking, sleeping in, and his dislikes are fairies, Valentine's Day, and people. Do you like me? No! I really like them. Alright, so I thought the cats were pretty cool, and let me show you the other one I got. I got this one. This one was $19.99, and it's the Christmas bear. So cute. Have you guys seen these in stores? I've only seen them on websites. I haven't seen them in person yet. I would kind of like to hunt them down in person, but I think I'll just start ordering a couple here and there. Because there's not a lot of them out right now. Maybe a dozen or so. So at that price, I could buy like a couple a month, and after a year, I'll have a full set. Oh, he's cute. Really, really like the eyes on these guys. Just the design of these are... This is such a great toy. I love the design of them. He's, you know, he's got Santa. He's really cute. He's so cute. I might actually order extras too, because I kind of want to customize some. I kind of want to make a Yeti, Sasquatch, Bigfoot, like a whole family of all the different mythical fur creatures. But I grabbed this one. I grabbed the Halloween one because I kind of like when they are like holiday themed things. So I kind of thought that would fit better with my collection than just the animals. But I kind of want the animals. I'll probably end up buying all of them. Let me show you some details of him up close right here.
Sing glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild. God and sinners
Sorry, I get mad sometimes. Merry Christmas. Sorry, roach attack. Jingle bells, Batman. I get mad. I get mad when I mess up my socks. Alright, let's try this again. Sorry, I'll get mad again. Sorry, I'm getting mad again. Sorry. I'm an angry bear. Hey, kitty cats, come over here. Kitty cats. Meow. Let's have some cookies, okay?
I want some cookies.
Okay. Cookies are good. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
rise, join the triumph of the skies with angelic.
Sorry.
Alright, so the bear's name was Ebenezer Claus. His likes are lumps of coal, taking candy from babies and Halloween, dislikes elves, mistletoe, and the giving spirit. I really like this one. I think this might be, even though I like cats, I think the bear might be my favorite. I kind of want to get some extra bears and customize them to make them look like Yetis or Bigfoots. You know, because I like Yetis and Bigfoots, and I would love to get some feisty pets that kind of look like these guys. Hey guys, you know, William R. Company, if you want to make some Yetis, I would really love those. But in the meantime, I think I might try to get a couple to customize them to kind of look like these guys. So what do you guys think of the Christmas bear? I think he's adorable. I really, really want to play with him and make little sketches and stuff. I think I'll be doing feisty pet sketches because just making them talk and stuff is so much fun. Hello, how are you? Oh, I'm doing good. How are you doing, Mr. Bear? I am okay. These are great. I really can't wait to get more of them. I'm enjoying having these. I've been wanting these since I first saw them last year. But now that I have some in my hands that are mine, these are my monster babies, I am excited to have these, and I'm hoping to add a lot more to my collection. As long as you guys didn't like these videos and I get lots of views, I'll probably be picking them up every week or two. Alright, if you like this video, if you like the Feisty Pets, if you want to see more Feisty Pet content, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this and you want to see more Feisty Pet videos and other types of unboxings and reviews, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! 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 Meow!